If you're looking to kit out your home bar with all the kind of cocktail tools and equipment that you're going to need, this is Drinkstuff's biggest selling cocktail kit, and I'm going to do a little unboxing for you to show you what you get. It's got the list on the back here, so we get a cocktail shaker, we get a jigger, we get a muddler, we get a mixing spoon, we get 3 pourers, a Hawthorne cocktail strainer, a julep, and a kind of sieve. So I'm just going to do a little unboxing just to kind of show you what you get. As I say, it's their biggest selling kit. It's absolutely genius. So we've got the jigger. That's it. So you've got a 50ml, 25ml jigger, absolutely perfect for your home bars. We've got the Hawthorne Strainer, and I'll show you what you do with that in a second. We have got, what's the next thing out? We've got a cocktail sieve. So when you're double straining cocktails, and that's perfect. I've got one of these already at home. So I've got all of this equipment here in my home bar. We've got a bar spoon, and I love these bar spoons. Again, I've got another one of these sitting right here. I've got exact same thing here. And the cool thing with this, it's a twisted bar spoon. It's got the little sort of disc at the end. You can kind of bang, bruise a mint just very slightly, or you can use the spiral to kind of layer, like B52s. If you're doing B52, like mini shots or mini Guinnesses or things like that, you can't do that. So you've got that. We have got a muddler, which you're going to need to muddle your limes for your mojitos. What else have we got? We've got a couple more things, and I'll get the shaker out. We've got the Tulip Strainer. Now, I'll be honest, I've got a Tulip Strainer here. I don't actually use it that much, but it's a Tulip Strainer if you're going to be all proper. And at times where you don't need a Hawthorne Strainer, you just need a Tulip Strainer. Old fashions in mixing glasses, perfect for that. Tucked away in here, we've got the 3 pourers, which are brilliant. These are, I'm assuming these are medium flow pourers. And what you kind of do, these will obviously stick in the bottles, but I don't know whether you'll see it in the close-up, but if they've kind of got the little, I call them little valves, but little holes, and when you hold them, you put your finger over them and it will stop the pour. So that's brilliant for controlling and getting accurate pours. So we've got 3 of those. And then obviously we've got the Boston tin. Now, anyone that watches my stuff will know that I always use a Boston shaker. I don't use the 3-piece cocktail shakers. If we can get this apart. There we go. So I always use a 2-piece Boston shaker. Now I just want to give you the inside gossip as well, because I've spoken to the man that puts all these together. He wanted me to point out doing this that very, very soon this kit will be upgraded and it will be tin on tin. Now I'll be honest, I use glass when I'm doing videos and kind of masterclasses because I'm demonstrating. However, when I'm doing events, I will always use tin on tin because it's lighter, it's quicker. I can throw it about, not juggling, but I can literally kind of just throw it about a damn sight easier than I can glass. So that is an upgrade that's coming very soon. But there we go. That is your kind of Drinkstuff's best-selling cocktail kit. And if you want to get involved, if you want to make cocktails for yourselves, this is all the stuff that you need to set up your home bar.